Hi, I'm Steve Naples with ICT, and today we will be going over our H₂O Invisible and our H₂O Nano. We will also be showing you how to prep a marble surface with our Total Etch and Clean. Etch and Clean can be used at full strength or 50-50. Total Etch and Clean will also profile the surface to allow the H₂O Invisible or Nano to be able to penetrate better into that surface. Total Etch and Clean works on dwell time, so therefore it's recommended to work in sections, 10 by 10 or 15 by 15 square foot sections at a time. We are now going to mix the Total Etch and Clean. It is recommended to always add water first and then add product second to avoid foaming and bubbling. Now we're going to apply the Total Etch and Clean. We're going to apply it in sections and let it sit and dwell for 15 minutes. We're also going to agitate it and scrub it with a good stiff bristle broom or brush. We are now going to remove the Total Etch and Clean with a surface cleaner. We have let it sit and dwell for 15 minutes. It is recommended to use low PSIs when you're using a pressure washer in order to not damage the surface. And you also do not want to let the Total Etch and Clean dry on the surface. Thoroughly rinse after using a surface cleaner to make sure you don't have any excess product. So now that the surface is prepped, we're going to be installing the H₂O Invisible and the H₂O Nano. Here in the middle, we'll be leaving it untreated, so you'll be able to tell the difference between the enhancer and the invisible. With the Nano solvent-based enhancer, it's going to give you a color boost and protect your surface for years to come. With our water-based H₂O Invisible, it will go down looking wet. Once it dries, it'll be completely invisible, protecting you from any kind of mold and algae stains. For both products, they can either be applied with a pump sprayer or a power sprayer. With the Invisible, once you apply it, you pretty much can walk away as long as there's no ponding or puddling. With the enhancer, we recommend that you work in sections, and after that, we are now going to wait 15 to 20 minutes and then remove it with a floor buffer or a dry cloth or rag attached to the end of a broom. Dry time for light traffic is 24 hours. Heavier traffic is recommended 48 hours. Now that the surfaces have been treated, you can tell the difference between the enhancer and the invisible. If you have any questions about our H₂O products or any of our products, please feel free to contact us.